How you going, everyone? Back again. Had a really good day today. I think I checked all my list off. Did I have a list? No, I never made a list, did I? No, because I got rid of the whiteboard. I got rid of the whiteboard. I literally just didn't press whiteboard function. So it's not as dramatic as it sounds. As you can see, I'm walking all around the floor because it's all clear. That's right. I actually did what I said I was going to do and tidied up. There's just one box of junk left, so I'm going to go through that over the weekend. So what I've done is under here, I cleared all this out and I've put these are the DVD VCR combo boxes. These are my laptop boxes. These are some spare boxes. Over the back there's some bubble bags, like almost like a DVD size bubble bag. And then up here that's like a DVD size box, the next size up and the next size up. Some bubble bags, some mailers. I'm not using them as mailers, I just use them to put the hard drives in for safety. And then you've got your anti-static bags for when I'm shipping video cards and other stuff. So we got some, we did get some stuff in, but I haven't had a chance to actually work on it today. I've been working on stuff on here, which is actually stuff that was done. Oh, actually did I do a keyboard swap? No, I haven't done a keyboard swap. I did some other bits, but not a keyboard. I did a key swap. I had a broken key, but that's about it. And then I haven't done much over here. So I've cleaned all the benches off, made it all a bit neater and tidier and all that. And also over here as well. So gave that all a big clean up. And gave this all a big clean up as well. Because obviously I moved all the packaging over. There's a couple of dumping areas, there's bubble wrap and some paper, and that's some bigger boxes of bubble wrap and paper and stuff. Over here I've done nothing. That's all the same as it was this morning. And then what else is there? Oh yeah, and then we'll come over to here. Might as well try and bring this up. So we are at 51870. So I've listed these ones, that one, the one that's open, the other Dell, and then there's a MacBook under there as well. So 51870, we've got 48,000 left, 204 devices, 254 per unit, 254,000 per unit. That'd be nice, wouldn't it? And I sold a few things too. Nothing crazy, but just a few things. Yeah, so we broke 50,000, which I think is the main thing. So what I'm going to do is also over the weekend, I'm not going to actually upload any videos. I'm actually not going to do weekends anymore. I'm not finding I'm getting the momentum that I want to get to justify doing it every day. So what I'm going to do from next week is I'm going to actually just do Monday, Wednesday, Friday, and I'm going to mix it all up into, sometimes it'll be about the flipping side. It might be the deals I buy, it might be the stuff I've sold, or some like a pallet unboxing, stuff like that. And then other days it will be board work, or swapping a screen out on something, or putting a couple of laptops together to make one good laptop, that sort of stuff. So I want to kind of mix it up a little bit, so you guys, girls and everyone else are getting a bit of a overall picture of what I'm doing here, rather than me more concentrating on the selling side, because at the end of the day it needs to be a bit of everything. So yeah, and then the rest of the rack there, as you can see, I've kind of got that sorted. Don't get me wrong, it's not 100% sorted, but that will just slowly sort itself out over the next couple of weeks as I go through all that stuff. Everything's a bit slow at the moment out there. Nothing's really moving fast. So at the end of the day, my main concentration right now is just keep loading up eBay, keep loading up Facebook, keep having good quality stuff here ready to sell. And then the hope is at some point we really see a bit of a resurgence in the market. And it'll happen. Look, I've ran businesses for a long time, and you have good weeks, bad weeks, good months, bad months, good years and bad years. So look, it's just a case of just waiting for it all to come good again. And in the meantime, just get the best deals possible. Try and do a few of those wholesale deals in the middle, and then try and sell as much as we can. The best part is because I'm buying it broken and fixing it, I'm able to get stuff so much cheaper than what some of the other people are getting. So that's the difference, and I can fix it. So because the problem is a lot of them, they can get the deals, but if they can't fix it, then it doesn't matter. They then just have to sell it on for whatever they bought it for, or maybe even lose money on some cases. This is why learning this stuff, if you want to do flip tech, learning it is the smart way to go, because or else you end up having to either wholesale it at nothing, or throw it out. Sometimes you can't even sell it. People just won't buy it. There's a couple of units over there that I'm just going to bundle together and sell. They work, but they've got issues, and it's just not viable for me to fix them. If I had a couple of spares here, I could part them and make them into better ones. But so all good. All right, so done that, done this, done that. Ran through the new schedule. I hope everyone's good. Hope everyone has a great weekend. Let's hope Monday's a brighter world out there and everything kind of starts settling down a bit. And keep positive, because that's the main thing. I don't like to be negative. It's too easy to kind of get dragged into that negativity in the world. So stay positive, keep battling on, and I will see you all on Monday with either a tech repair or something to do with flipping, or a bit of both. So see you all later. Have a good afternoon, night, and whatever it is in your area. Bye.